Good morning, evening, afternoon, everyone. Thank you for watching DevRelCon 2021 interview session. I'm Achi, head organizer of the conference. In this time, I will introduce our awesome speakers and chat with them about their talk in 15 minutes. Today's guest is Seigo Tanaka at One Foot Shivers. Welcome, Seigo-san. Hi, Seigo-san. How are you?
Hi. How are you today? Yes, I'm doing great. Japanese time is 11 a.m. I started working. Yeah, and I'm looking forward this interview. Thank you.
Oh, thank you for coming. And at first, could you please introduce yourself? You can talk about anything about you, like
Yeah,
your favorites, programming language, technologies, frameworks, or sports, hobby, books, movies, anything about you.
yeah. Thank you. First, I introduce myself. I have my name is Seigo Tanaka. Company name One Foot Shivers. I have been worked front-end engineer since 2004 and made interactive content using Adobe Flash. Recently, I based on front-end technology. I going to be related information and user interface. For example, sensor visualization as IoT and 3D visualization, mixed reality, and AI judgment. And additionally, I got award as IBM champion and Microsoft MVP just now. And this day I involve a developer to make connection without outside. And uh, I enjoy external evangelist. And I love programming language. It is JavaScript. It's can connect many technologies. For example, IoT and user interface and visualization. It's very fun. And architecture is I love recently Node.js and Vue.js. It's also fun. And also, I love low-code tool, Node.js. I will talk about it in my presentation. I'm looking forward talk my presentation this event. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
I can see some object background, your background. So
Yeah.
it looks on a Japanese room, like
Yeah. Yeah.
traditional Japanese room, but I can see some strange object background for you. What is that?
Yes. Thank you. This question. Today, I choose passionately this StreamYard background, and this background is my examination for my technology. For example, it's my room is you said Japanese room, but I try to make 3D contents to try my contents. For example, HoloLens 2 3D mixed reality contents. It's make Unity square. I check my Japanese room and mixed reality position. It's cube, and I this making very nice. I notice very nice background, and it's show my current my skill set and Unity and visualization and 3D and it's good. so I choose it. I make it. Yeah, thank you.
I see. So I
Yeah,
strongly recommend you will make
yeah,
3D object on your name or your
yeah,
company name, and
yeah,
you put it on the object
yeah,
that on your background. Mm,
yeah. Thank you.
that's
Yeah,
nice. And I had you involved to the Flash technology
yeah,
maybe 10 years ago or
yeah,
more. So currently, Adobe stopped the support the
yeah,
Flash technology. So,
yeah.
but you moved to the another visualization
Yes,
technology, right?
yeah.
So, why you involved
Exactly.
to the visualization technology continuously? What is the
Yes,
merits or what is a good point of the technology?
yeah. It's visualization merit and merit. A good point.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I think visualization is has a lot of good point. For example, for recently, we had many technology and huge data. For example, IoT sensor data. For example, is
Mm,
3D uh, 3D position data.
mhm,
So in past time, our internet is tend to choose text and very
mhm,
small, but recently fused. So visualization approach is very nice. For example, uh, it's get entertainment with huge
mhm,
summarizing data. And
mhm,
for example, many chat approach
mhm,
uh, at the IoT visualization. For example, limited line over its temperature is notification. It's good information. And uh, uh, like this summarizing data approach and visualization, we we can choose the future uh, future thinking,
mhm,
not current huge and boring uh,
mhm,
uh, data, huge data analysis.
mhm,
We can reach next thinking
mhm,
with prototyping. Yes, I meet first time my career visualization is good, but
mhm,
and now I keep to think visualization is nice.
mhm,
It's I summarize that visualization can display the future thinking and
mhm.
summarizing huge data. It's a good nice point, I think.
I see. Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
And we will move to the next topic about
Yeah,
your talk. So your talk title is how to activate quickly develop activities using
yeah,
low code and no code tools.
yeah,
So could you please explain about your talk summary or abstract?
yeah. Thank you. Yes, um, I I'd like to this topic because I can make the, as external evangelist with a lot of developer relation and technology. Like this situation, I use low code tool and no code tool. For example, a low code tool and Node-RED, because many develop technologies combination. It's that it show directly very many explaining point, but low code tool and no code tool it can summarizing and highlight the merit and the good point. And like this, GUI, 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 what's it again? GUI, visualization, structure. It can reach many developer and many merit for many developers. So I would like to my session. It's a method and a nice point. And for example, my real I talk my real time present demonstration with Node-RED and no-code through Lowcode. And this good point I will talk it in my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, so I think please give me the ideas.
Yeah.
What is the difference of normal programmers and
Yeah.
low-code programmers or no-code programmers? What is the difference of them?
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe so. Local programmer. Yeah.
What is the difference? Programmers who use the low-code tool or no-code tools, or normal programmers like PHP programmers?
Yeah.
What is
Thank you.
difference?
See difference. Yeah. Maybe no code tool and low code tool programmer also normal programmer, I think. But maybe I also a programmer. So a lot of programmer make same source code as many their project. So like this situation, they and me think like this same code good making knowledge. So this like this situation and I they and me also search no code and low code tool. So like this situation, no code tool and low code tool making programmer can 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 focus it. They can focus structure and the next thinking and prototyping to this project future. Maybe it's like prototyping and future architecture thinking they have. So you said the difference. It's like to the future thinking and your next prototyping mind they have, I think. Yeah.
I see. And I like your presentation, and you will do
Thank
the
you.
live demo every
Yeah.
presentation, I think.
Yeah.
So do you have plan to the right to do the live coding in this session in this time?
Yeah. Maybe I'm preparing now, but
Mhm,
yes, and I'm preparing, but
mhm,
and I'm positively I'm thinking maybe uh, real-time protocol connection and
mhm,
device and web technology or like
mhm,
this. It's intended to choose complicated programming, but no-code and low-code tool can reach the future merit in limited time. So I'd like to I talk in my presentation. I will, and maybe um, I maybe I highlight graphic user interface merit in my presentation. So it's same good document. So I will talk about it also, I think.
Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you.
Seigo-san. So I really hope I
Yeah,
really hope to listen your
I'm preparing.
presentation
Yes,
in that day.
yeah, I'm
So
looking forward to it.
yeah, yes, okay, and I also you will enjoy our conference with us.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you again. So today's interview is done. Our
Yeah,
conference, DevRelCon Tokyo 2021, will be held on the June 5th.
yes,
Listening, everyone, save the date and waiting the day. Okay,
yes,
Seigo-san,
thank you.
thank you,
Yes,
and
yay,
everyone,
thank
yes,
you.
see you next interview. Bye.
Bye.